Hello friends, today we are diving into the new view top bullet craft. Burlap craft bottle decoration ideas, jute craft bottle decoration ideas, a creative journey where we transform simple bottles into beautiful decor pieces. Whether it's for Xmas festival hanging or an eco-friendly gift and tree hanging, these ideas will inspire you to recycle, craft and decorate with joy. So, glass and plastic bottles are everywhere in our homes. Everywhere homes. Instead of throwing them away, why not give them a second life? Give just a little creativity, paint, burlap, jute, and recycled materials bottles and become stunning table centerpiece, wall hanging, or festive holiday decoration. Start by wrapping your old bottle with burlap or jute rope. This instantly gives it a rustic farmhouse style look. Add a bow, some wooden beads, or even dried flowers to complete the look. These bottles make the perfect eco-friendly Xmas ornaments, or they can be grouped together as a wall shelf decorations. The style is all about adding layers, textures, and little details that tell a story. Imagine painting your bottle in white or gold, then adding bullet shaped designs, metallic beads, or geometric stencils. Combine this with fairy lights inside the bottle, and you will have a glowing masterpiece for your festive evenings. Xmas and New Year decoration don't always need to be bought from the stores. All bottle can become candle holders, mini Xmas trees, or even hanging lanterns. Wrap them in jute rope, decorate with buttons, tiny bells, or snowflakes cut out, and you will create an atmosphere of warmth and creativity without spending much. Another brilliant idea is to bond bottles into hanging planters or wall mounted decor. Simply secure the bottles with rope, decorate them with burlap and glitter, and hang them on a wooden frame. This blends rustic charm with modern decor, perfect for hallways or Xmas walls displays. And here's the best part. This isn't just a hobby. Handmade bottle craft are in high demand during the holiday season with creativity. You can even start a small business selling these eco-friendly decoration. Plus crafting is mindful, relaxing and a wonderful way to spend time. So next time you see an old bottle, don't throw it away. Think, view, burlap, craft style. Recycle, decorate with jute, and bring art into your home. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative decoration. Until next time, happy crafting and happy festival. This video gonna take you to the world of very beautiful and interesting crafting ideas like this. So these crafting ideas is really amazing and crafty. So whether you are doing something different, wants to do something different, so why not this? These designs are amazing and beautiful for everyone who wants to do something amazing in their life. Many ideas we gives you in our videos like Xmas decorations, Xmas crafts, and beautiful decor ideas, beautiful amazing collection. We gives you the amazing touch of burlap and jute. This is not only eco-friendly, this is also budget-friendly. So here is a budget-friendly craft. Thank you for joining me today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed. May your home fulfilled with happiness, craft, rustic touch, full of decoration, full of happiness, healthiest version of life you have. So don't forget to subscribe. We try to gives you that amazing crafty ideas with